Well, we're going to be adding fractions, space simple fractions. So we've got 3 over 4 plus 2 over 3, and then 3 over 5 plus 1 half. To add fractions, we need to make the denominators the same. We do that by cross multiplying. So we multiply one fraction by the other fraction's denominator. Cross multiply. It's easier when you present that method. So we circle that entire fraction and we're going to multiply it by 3 because the other denominator in the other fraction has a denominator of 3. The second fraction we circle it, we're going to multiply the whole thing by 4 because the first fraction has a denominator of 4. We then write the new fractions. 9 over 12 plus 8 over 12. These are equivalent fractions to the ones that we started with. And now that the denominators are the same, it's easy for us to kind of compare the fractions and work with the fractions. We can add the fractions together. So we get 9 plus 8 all over 12, and that gives you 17 over 12. The last step is the simplified step, if it's possible. If we have to simplify, then you're looking for common factors to simplify. You can always watch the example on that. But in this case, we can write this fraction as a mixed fraction. You know, 12 goes into 17 once, and then there's a remainder of 5. We're still divided by 12. Again, you can watch the example on mixed fractions or converting fractions from mixed to top heavy and top heavy to mixed. That will be provided above. For the second example, we're going to multiply the first fraction by 2, the second fraction by 5. We're cross multiplying one fraction by the other's denominator. That gives you 6 over 10 plus 5 over 10. Now that the denominators are the same, we can add the numerators together. So we get 6 plus 5 over 10, which is 11 over 10. And then we can write that as a mixed fraction because we can't really simplify that fraction any further. It's going to be 1 and 1 over 10 because 10 goes into 11 once. There's a remainder of 1 and we're still dividing by 10.